Here we have an example of some major damage to the cornice of this house that can also be easily repaired using the FlexTech system. One might assume that major damage like this is beyond repair, but using a few simple techniques, we can salvage this superior old-growth wood and repair the hole with a FlexTech system. First, we want to clean out any debris, such as a nest that may have been built in the opening, and then evenly cut out the hole. To remove a stubborn rusty nail, tap it in twice to loosen, and then remove. For very large repairs such as this, we will use a clean wood block filler to take up space and reduce the amount of FlexTech required. Using 2 screws as handles, place the pieces into the hole, filling the gap, and screw them into place. Measure and cut out another piece the size of the hole. Scrape off any paint chips to ensure a strong bond with the wood. Next, we apply the 2-part Primatrate, thoroughly coating the area to be filled and the piece of wood that will be used to fill the hole. Mix and apply the 2 parts of the FlexTech system, thoroughly coating and filling the gaps. Coat the fill piece with a layer of FlexTech and place it in the hole. The FlexTech will hold the fill piece in place, allowing us to fill in the remaining cracks and gaps. When using woodblock fillers, remember to butter the bottom of the hole, then butter all surfaces of the wood block. This coating will ensure a good bond to all surfaces and helps reduce large voids of trapped air. Lastly, make sure that the wood block sits well below the surface, at least 1/4 inch, to prevent problems with sanding and ghosting after painting. The FlexTech will hold the fill piece in place, allowing us to fill in the remaining cracks and gaps. Lastly, smooth out the surface with an even coat of the FlexTech. With the hole filled, the FlexTech should be left to dry for 24 hours, when it can be sanded and painted to match the undamaged areas.